Hi everyone, welcome to today's quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how to create this awesome PowerPoint slide. So we are going to combine shapes in order to achieve this great looking PowerPoint slide that you can use throughout your presentations. So this is quick, it's easy, so let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly how to do this. So in order to create this super quick, super simple PowerPoint presentation, the first step that we need to do is to insert a picture. So if you are not sure how to do this, you can head to the insert tab at the top of your ribbon and insert a picture over here. That's pretty simple. And once you have done this, please make sure that the image that you have included into this PowerPoint presentation, that this covers the whole PowerPoint slide. So that will just ease everything. So to cover the whole slide, that is pretty simple. I'm sure everyone understands this. So our next step would be to add a text box. So I'm simply going to select once again in the Insert tab at the top of the ribbon. In the Insert ribbon, you can add a text box and you can do this anywhere. So I'm simply going to drag this anywhere over the screen at this stage, and from here you can add or increase fonts. You can do pretty much anything you'd like. So then we'll enter our text here. Just going to make that bold and let's increase this even a little bit more. So don't worry about the sizing of this. Here we go. So once we've got the size, you can pretty much center this. You can do whatever you would like with this option. So let's just get our text there. I'm not too worried about the color of the text here at this stage. We will fix that in a moment. So the next step that I'm going to take is to insert, and I am going to insert at this stage a shape. And for this shape, I'm going to use a parallelogram to do this. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. But anyway, I'm going to insert this shape. You can do this wherever. You can then just drag the size of this to fit your screen. You can do a precise fit, whatever you want to do with this. So once we have inserted this shape, you need to make sure that it covers part of your text. That's the whole point of this. So we want it to cover, let's say, the second word in our little Rome trip. So as you guys can see, it's covering this. And once I've done this, I'm happy to continue to the next step. So I'm going to select my shape at this stage, and then I'm going to hold in control on my keypad, and then I'm going to select the text as well. So once I've selected these two shapes effectively, I'm going to head over to the shape format section at the top of the ribbon. And in this shape format ribbon, I'm going to head to the left hand side to this section that says merge shapes. So once I'm clicking on this, I want to combine these shapes. So you can see if you have a union, a combine, you can do fragmented intersections. You can do a lot of options here, but I'm going to use the combine option. And once I've combined these two shapes with one another, we can simply shape fill this to whatever color you would like. I'm going for a simple white here, and I am going to remove the outline of the text. So as you guys can see, it's quite simple. And once you've done with this, you've got your first PowerPoint slide for your PowerPoint presentation. And it looks kind of cool. We've combined two shapes to form this awesome looking PowerPoint slide. So I hope you enjoyed this quick trick that you can use in Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you did, please remember to like the video down below, and please subscribe to our channel, to our YouTube channel, so that you do not miss any of our new content coming out soon. But have a good one, everyone, and until next time, cheers.